Hello, it's been quite some time since I did the first video for the AK-47 CCCP folding switchblade knife that resembles a bayonet. You would think you could put these on your AK-47, not very easily. Only the middle size will fit and work, but you would have to do a lot of modifications. The small one is too small, and the large one is fairly large, and the loop goes further than most of the muzzle brakes do. But here I have all three knives. The mid-size one is the one I was able to make work like a bayonet on my AK-47. Had to do quite a lot of filing and some tooling to make it fit properly. The small one is too small. If you were to try to grind enough, it would take away this whole edge right here, and so it would destroy the knife because it's not actually wide enough to actually work. And if it did, your loop for your bayonet would be all the way down here on your sight block, and also it's smaller, so it would destroy that as well. So the little 5-inch one is not really a good option for that, because it just wouldn't work. Now this larger one is too large. If you were to make it work, the loop would be further than the muzzle device, and it's so wide that it just really wouldn't fit right. And the way it went up there, it didn't look like it would. I haven't tried this one, and I don't really want to destroy it or modify it. I'm just keeping it for my collection, but I do not believe that it would work right, as it is too long and it's just not suitable. And this one was approximately 8 inches. Now this one is the one that I used, and it is the smaller mid-size one. And I was able to make it fit properly. Let's see, yeah, there you go. Make sure my AK-47 doesn't fall. It's much more valuable than this knife. This one also had the little pocket clip right here, so that might help you identify it as the right one. If you're looking to get these off of eBay or Amazon or wherever they're available. This one, let's see, it's about 5.5, a little less than 6 inches. So this is the one that I chose to use. It was heavily modified. I had to file and kind of grind out in there. And then I had to remove this whole section right here. As you see now, it's indented instead of straight across. So this is the only one that really makes a suitable bayonet. This one is a little too small. So this one's like around 5 inches. And this one is 5.5, between 5.5 and maybe 6 inches. And this one is much larger. It's 7.5 or 7.25 inches. So this one wouldn't work as well. I mean, it's pretty cool. It opens with authority. So it's a big, heavy, switchblade bayonet. This is the giant one. It's fairly large. I like it, but it wouldn't make a good bayonet. This is the suitable one, the mid-size one. I like the way this one opens. It opens very nice. And then the smallest one that I know of is this one. Makes a nice pocket knife. It opens nicely. Not sure it'd be a great bayonet, but let me just set my AK-47 down. Let me move these into focus a little better. So there they are, the AK-47 CCCP folding switchblade knives. Only the mid-size one is suitable for bayonet use, and you would have to heavily modify it. But they feel fairly solid as knives, and you know, I enjoy having them in my collection. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.